Okay, good morning, class. So today we're going to look at looking inside a computer. So, class, we talked about what a computer is, and we talked about what a system is. So today we're going to look at looking inside a computer, and we're going to talk about what is found inside a computer and some of the parts. So, we are taught parts of a computer. So, class, we've got four parts of a computer. Number one, we've got the hardware. Number two, we've got the software. Number three, we've got data. Number four, we've got the user. So these are the four parts of a computer. So let's look at what a hardware is. So, class, we are taught a hardware is a mechanical device in the computer. It is anything that can be touched. So anything in a computer that can be seen and that can be touched is a hardware. In short, a hardware is a component that you can see and touch. So the hardware is almost a complete opposite of a software. A software you can't see it and or touch it, but a hardware you can see it and touch it. So what is a software? A software tells a computer what to do. Anything that tells a computer what to do, you can't see it, but it tells the computer what to do. It's a set of instructions and rules on how a computer will operate and do things. So it is also called a program. Thousands of programs exist. There are a lot of programs in this world. There is a lot of softwares, a lot of what. All these are softwares, class. What is data? Data are pieces of unorganized information. So just instead of just pieces of information, let's say pieces of unorganized information. Computer organize and present data. So when data is there and it's information is there and it's not organized, it means it's data. Meaning when it is not organized and when it's organized, it becomes information. Before it is meaning it's raw. It's not yet processed and organized. So users, who is a user? People operating the computer. The most important part tells the computer what to do. Just like the software, users also tell a computer what to do. Except users tell a computer what to do through the use of the software. A user can't just come direct to a computer hardware and start telling it what to do. No, they will need a software installed in the computer, and then they start using commanding the computer what to do, and that command will go through the software, and the software is the one that will command the hardware to do something. So let's look at steps followed to process data. So when you insert something in a computer, data is brought in and that data is processed. When that data is processed, it is taken out and you are able to see it into something that you can see. Oh, when you put it in, data is installed. So this is what we call input. When you input data in a computer, it's called input. When that data is being processed, it is called processing. You can't see the processing, but it happens within a computer, within the CPU, the central processing unit, which is the brain of a computer. Then when that data is processed, for example, you've got a document, then you print it out, it goes out, it's called output. Meaning you are removing that data, that processed data, and you are making it something useful. It becomes the information that you use. Storage, when you input data and you put it in the computer, you save it there for future use, it's called storage. So, class, we're taught computers use the same basic hardware. Hardware categorized into four types. So this is just a simple chart on how the organization of data and the processes within a computer is. So next time, class, we're going to look at processing devices. We're going to look at the CPU. We're just going to look at how it works. So for now, we've introduced the topic, and next time, let's all attend so that we can further go deep into details and look at how the processing cycle works and everything. Until next time, class, see you.